30. Alright, there we go. I'm looking at the RSSI number. RF is an art, man. Ooh, squirrel. Or a bunny. Squirrel. Here he goes. Oh, the front flip, I don't do it that often. Kind of wonky. Yeah, once I start getting the rough numbers, I don't pay attention, which I kind of should, but stop looking at the RSSI. Once I know that I'm all the way over here and get at least like, oh no, 50 or 60, that was pretty low. I think that's good enough. I can just let it go. Oh, batteries are not doing well. Or the bounce back is not. Let's go back on this side. The LC filter still rocking, no noise, no goofy little nothing on the screen. I was even considering using a so the other thing they say a lot of, well, if you got noise, one thing is a huge cap, which is kind of the same as, well, it's different from the LC filter, but same effect, just a filter, a buffer to absorb some of those ripples. But then the other one was, oh, you can put a 5-volt regulator in your circuit, so you can grab from the battery and then control it through the 5-volt regulator, which also has a filter. So I was like, I don't want to add more weight or the 5-volt regulator. The flight controller has the 5-volt regulator anyway. I just need to clean it on the way out. So I'm glad that that helped and not put a massive cap in there either. So, and the LC filter is tiny. It's like half the size of my VTX, so worked out well. Nice.